Now let's cut a hole for a door, then add in an access door and handle. Select the Move tool, then right-click on the surface you want to put the door on and select Sketch on Surface. It will give you a view of the surface selected. Select the Rectangle tool, and then draw the door shape on the surface you selected in the previous step. Click the Exit Sketch button to return to the 3D view. Click on the Extrude tool, then click on the rectangle you just drew and use the arrow to extrude it out. Clone the door to use it later. To do this, select the Move tool and then right-click on the door. Select Clone from the menu. With the Move tool still selected, select the clone and use the arrows to move it out of the way for now. Now select the original door and use the arrow to move it through the wall, ready to cut a hole. Rotate your view to ensure the object goes all the way through the wall. Select the Boolean tool, then select the door you just moved through the wall. Ensure the Boolean panel is set to cut and click on the Confirm button. Next, you need to select the walls of the house to cut the hole into. Ensure the walls are outlined in yellow, then press Confirm.